Hey, what's up guys? It's Corey here with Dapper Dollars. Today we're going to talk about swing trading, Recon, stock symbol RCON. You ready? Let's get started. So this channel is all about using the online income opportunities we have with Merch by Amazon and Etsy to build our income online and then invest this income in things like the stock market and real estate. If that sounds like something you're interested in, like and subscribe and let's get started. So this is another swing trading video on Monday. And the results that I had from the last swing trading that I did with Next Designs, ticker symbol NEXT, pretty easy to remember. So that one went really well. Had about an 80% profit, reinvested my money, and I'm already down $100. So anyway, I think that one's going to come back. But in the meantime, while that one's coming back, I found this other stock that was down pretty low this weekend. So this is Sunday that I'm recording this. This is going to come out on Monday. And with this stock, I am looking at getting in around the low $6 mark and then riding it up to around 15 because this stock traded at 17 before it hit a major downslide from what looks like to be a selling off of profits from people who have invested in this company since it was below $1. This company has had an amazing run and they have gone from, a few cents a share all the way up to $17 a share. And then without any change in the fundamentals of the company, this stock just seems to have dropped off a cliff. And it is a great opportunity for people who are looking to do swing trading to invest in this company because there doesn't really seem to be a reason why this company shouldn't rebound in the future. And so let's look at the financials of this company to see if it meets the criteria that we talked about in my last swing trading video with NEXT. I'll link to that right here. And let's see if this company actually stands up to why it meets the criteria that I like to see whenever I'm investing in a swing trading option. So over here, you'll see that the company has a strong financial balance sheet. It has more cash on hand than it does debt on the balance sheet and more current assets than it does current liabilities. This is all great because it shows that the company is in a stable financial situation. And also we can see over here that the revenues are somewhat stable, if not continuing to grow. And again, this is great to see because you want to invest, if you're doing swing trading, in a growing company. You want to catch it on a downtrend and then continue to ride it up, or catch it as it's becoming a major player. This is a great way to do swing trading in my opinion because you're not exactly riding the hype as much as you're riding the natural success of a company. And if you do that, it really makes swing trading a little bit more of a sure thing. Yes, you're not going to find as many stocks to trade on a swing trade, but you are going to find stocks that are essentially more reliable. So we can see from everything right here that Recon is doing a great job as far as the financials of the company, where they're at as far as revenue, and providing a valuable service. Because what Recon does is a oil extraction and producer in China. They're working with the three biggest companies in China to find the oil and petroleum in China, extract this, and then find a way to sell it and distribute it to the people in China. So that's something that a lot of people haven't really been talking about because really China is a lot like the US in the past where they have been more of outsourcing the production of oil to other companies and then not exactly producing it themselves, which is interesting because China is really behind the US as far as the carbon emission standards, and the reason that the U.S. is mostly against the extraction of petroleum fuels from our country is because of the environmental situation as far as fracking, and the fact that most of these oil reserves are found on reserves and things like that are natural forests, and it is against our nature in the U.S. to go and destroy those places in order to mine oil. Now, there are, of course, occurrences that have happened in the past where this has happened and the government just went ahead and decided to construct, an oil pipeline in these natural areas. However, China is definitely not as far up to the moral standards that the U.S. is. So once China begins mining their own oil within their country, we are going to see probably a rapid expansion of China producing oil in the future. And if you are aware of anything in the world, you know that a lot of people are switching to electric in the future, but we're learning very quickly that we are not going to just shut off oil and gas and then turn on electricity and we'll make that switch happily. This is going to take a long time, 15 to 20 years to be, somewhat realistic, if not more than that. And so anyway, China now drilling for their own oil and, producing their own oil in their country and then being able to sell it to other people is going to put them in a much bigger position to be a financial powerhouse that they are already as a country. So this is a great company for China to have as far as being on the US stock market and being able to invest in to see profits in the future. Because as we've seen also recently, the energy sector as far as stocks on the US stock market are going crazy because it is, just one of those boom situations with energy stocks, and a lot of people are transitioning out of tech into commodities and energy. So this is a great play for a swing trade. And for all these reasons, Recon has been a great pick for me. Now, again, I'm filming this on Sunday. I'm going to buy in on Monday, and we will definitely get to see what exactly happens once all this goes down. So anyway, I hope that I don't make the wrong pick, and whether or not it goes right, I will post this video and let you guys know what happened, and we'll just see what happens. So anyway, if you have any questions about this company, about this process of swing trading, or whether or not you're a fan or not, please leave me a comment down below. I'm definitely looking forward to getting into some of my long-term holds in the coming weeks. Definitely looking at Vuzix as far as updating what Vuzix has done in the past. Hyliion has had some incredible growth, at least as far as the physical growth of their place in Austin. So I'm definitely looking forward to making a video about that. And Palantir is always growing. So anyway, those videos are coming soon, but I wanted to keep you guys updated as far as what I'm doing to do some swing trades on the side in the present right now. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. And remember, someone is going to do something amazing every day, guys. Why not you? See ya.